Oh, where's my wife? Wow, definitely getting this.
Yeah, I dabbled with the sausage, not quite.
No, we make potato sausage, and I'm tired of using my hands.
Oh yeah, it works fine.
My hands are so sore.
Oh yeah.
After that, I'm like. Well, this year we made Italian sausage, bratwurst, and what else do we make? Breakfast sausage.
Okay.
So that's a lot of work to do by hand. And then my wife
turned out to be too lazy.
yeah, and my wife over there, who's in the other garage, she her parents make like 30 pounds, 40 pounds of potato sausage. That's for the birds. Doing that by hand.